Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Avionics Tech channel.
The Lockheed Martin C5 Galaxy is the largest military cargo plane in use by the U.S. military. Though first introduced in 1970, this massive aircraft remains a staple at air bases all around the world. The reasons for this are quite clear. The C5 can carry more cargo, faster and further than almost any other cargo plane. In existence, despite being 247 feet long and boasting a max takeoff weight of 840,000 pounds, the C5 can carry loads up to 2,600 miles at speeds of up to 532 miles per hour. As one might expect, designing an aircraft with such impressive capabilities takes quite a bit of ingenuity. More than that, it takes some extremely powerful and versatile engines. Over its 50-year service history, the C5 Galaxy has proven itself capable of carrying an impressive amount of loads. The capacity of its 120-foot-long cargo bay is up to 36 master pallets. Or a total of 281,000 pounds. This translates into 2 Chinook helicopters, 2-in-1 Abrams tanks, or 6 Apache Longbow helicopters. When needed, the C5 can also carry up to 73 troops and all the equipment they might need for deployment. One of the most important aspects of the C5's design is how the nose assembly raises and closes for loading and unloading. Over the years, many more heavy-lifting cargo planes would include this time-saving feature. The C5 is powered by 4 General Electric F138-100 turbofan engines. Each of which is capable of putting out 51,000 pounds of thrust first. The engine's sheer power is clear not only during takeoff and landing, but also when the C5 performs on-the-ground maneuvers. Like this reverse thrust test, such a maneuver could in theory reduce taxi and takeoff time, as it allows the Galaxy to move under its own power rather than waiting to be taxied or towed. Each of the General Electric engines is more than 8 feet in diameter and weighs nearly 10,000 pounds. Still, it should come as no surprise that the engines themselves need a lot of maintenance in order to ensure they stay in top shape. The C5's immense size makes it a major asset to the U.S. Air Force. One of the most frequently employed cargo aircraft of all is the Boeing C-17 Globemaster. The C-17 is actually quite a bit newer than the C-5, having first joined the U.S. Air Force fleet in the mid-1990s. It is 174 feet long and boasts a near equal wingspan, while this is considerably smaller than the Galaxy. The C-17 also has some amazing hauling capabilities. For instance, it can carry up to 170,000 pounds of equipment, including as many as 18 master pallets. It can also transport up to 134 troops, a single Abrams tank or 2 Bradley armored vehicles Masters fully loaded. Range is an impressive 2,420 miles, and it can also reach speeds of up to 520 miles per hour. Altogether, this adds up to a fast, agile transport that can carry a wide range of weapons and personnel to the front lines and beyond. One of the things that makes the C-17 so useful to the modern military is its ability to land virtually anywhere, stop on a dime and back up under its own power. Pratt & Whitney F-117 PW-100 engines produce around 40,000 pounds of thrust. When reversed, the C-17 can be brought to a rapid stop on nearly any type of surface.